Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on the basket case Camaro, finish up another thing on it. Today I'm doing this front spoiler here. He wanted this put on the car. It's really simple. I'll get down here and show you. There's holes already drilled in the spoiler right here, and they line up with the holes in the lower valence. So you just line them up and go ahead and bolt, which I've already done that there and there. Then there's some smaller holes here and out here, and just have to take a drill and drill up through there and drill through the valence and put some bolts in there. But what you want to do is make sure that it's lined up the same on both sides, which you see on this one it is. I'll go ahead and I'll drill two holes here. I'll drill a hole here, drill a hole here to put two bolts in on each side. There's two more holes over here, one here and one here. And then there's three support rods. There's one that goes in the center, and it's going to mount right here. We'll just have to drill a hole, and then you can go up through here and put a nut on the bolt right up through here on the inside of that. And then the other two, where did I just lay them? Oh, here. Then the other two support rods go out here on the end. And I'll tell you, you want to put the circle part. As you can see, there's a circle part and an oblong part. The circle part goes here against the spoiler. Then the oblong part will go over here against the frame. Lots of times people will just run them from here over to here. They don't quite work. You have to either drill out this hole here or do something if you want to do it that way. You can bolt it over there, but it's not going to reach without a little bit of help. But it will bolt there. I was just going to possibly drill a hole here, put the bolt through there, and there's one on each side. One goes over here as well, and again you can bolt it up right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the drill these holes, and get the hardware, and I'll get this thing bolted in, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, as you can see, I've got the front spoiler on. It's pretty solid. I got the rods bolted here and here, there. Same on the other side. Everything's nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. It's just a piece of plastic. There you have it. Everything's tightened down, and it should be good to go for a while now. I got the lower lights in there, got the grill in there, got the hood shutting, got the chrome cleaned off, and I'm still working on these tail lights, getting them cleaned up. But that's going to do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Don't cost you a penny. Just click on it. Check out rossrodshop.com. Like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.